Hi, and welcome to Professor Kev Show. I have my friend Niharika with us from the Ambition Hub. Good evening, my friend. Welcome to the show.
Thank you so much.
So before we talk about Ambition Hub, I'd like to learn a little bit about you.
Okay, so my name is Niharika. I'm from Assam, India, and I am the founder of Ambition Hub. Speaking of my professional journey, it started off as an affiliate marketing specialist. And you won't believe, but my first salary was 1600 INR, which is really less. But I believe for every student, no, not for student, like for every individual, the first salary matters a lot, no matter how less it is. So after a few months, I started my own organization named the Ambition Hub. And it started off as a digital marketing agency at first, but later we shifted it into an educational platform where I have mentored more than 200 students on AI because I am a certified AI tool expert. And besides from being a founder, I freelance for multiple companies. And I also have my own business named Anchoring Elite, where I provide anchoring services for open mics, weddings, and professional conferences as well. I was also recognized by Startup Times and the Entrepreneurs of India. So besides all of this, I also work for multiple NGOs. Like I have been in this social work field for over 3 years now. Like I love serving people and doing something for the less privileged ones in the society. So I have been in this field. And speaking of my not so professional passions, I love writing. I love writing poetry, short stories, and I'm a published author as well. I'm a published author of three books, and my first book was published when I was 11 years old. And you can call me a person who is always up to explore new opportunities, and that's it.
So let's talk a little bit about Ambition Hub. Now, you mentioned mentoring other people in AI. What are the types of things that they're looking to learn about AI?
It's generative AI, like the basic AI tools that can help students in many ways, like suppose how AI can help you build a good resume, or how AI can help you summarize an article or a book or a complete book, how AI can summarize a whole YouTube video for you, a lecture for you. This topic.
No, like I said, I like that you're trying to help other people because we're all looking for tools. As we get busier, it's like, all right, I need a way to be able to do that. I like, even having it summarize articles where you're looking at this, 5-page article, like, all right,
Yes.
I just need to know the overview of it, the topics. I don't need the fine details. That's kind of neat and stuff. So where do you hope to take Ambition Hub? What's crystal ball time? What are you hoping to accomplish in the future?
Okay, so Ambition Hub has three motives. I know usually the organization have one or two motives, but Ambition Hub here have three motives. So the first one is it started off as a digital marketing agency, as I already have mentioned.
Yep.
So the first thing we are focusing on to provide non-investment earning platforms like online earning platforms to students and homemakers, because we believe every student or homemaker, even whoever they are, even if they are have someone who can earn from them, still they have to be financially independent and secure enough that they don't have to depend on anyone else. So
Yep.
we are focused on that. And the second thing we are focused on empowering small businesses, because the famous businessman and businesswoman always gets appreciations from many sides, but small businesses never get the appreciations they deserve. So we are focused on that also. And the third motive we have is I want to erase the skill gap among the students of Assam. Because in Assam, I have seen many students who have the potential, who are good at their academics, but they don't have the skills, and that's why they miss most of their opportunities. So this is it.
Hmm. So what's the best way for people to reach out to if they want to learn more about your Ambition Hub?
Can you repeat your question?
Sure. What's the best way for people to reach out to you if they want to learn more about Ambition Hub?
Yes, we have our own website and we are on Instagram and LinkedIn as well.
Okay. Awesome. I appreciate you taking a few minutes to call into the show. And as always, thanks for being my friend.
Thank you so much.